It's another cloudy, overcast afternoon na naman. We're here, the Mall of Asia Complex again. We brought the CLX 700cc big bike, which was from Easy Ride Car and Motor Rental. What we have here, so from the parking area, you have the Blackbeard Seafood Island, the Bikers Cafe, the amusement park. Here you can borrow bicycles, and these are the temptations right in front of me. Seafood Island, one of the affordable seafood place here. They have packages. Considering it's just Wednesday today, it's a weekday, but a lot of locals are going here at the Bayside Mall of Asia. This is one of the best tasting shop out here. Go to Black Coffee. I invited some of my friends. I invited them for a sunset tambike. I think there's no sunset right now. It's overcast and cloudy. There's a incoming typhoon actually.
Hi sir, ma'am.
Mag-order ako isang large cafe latte. Iles ice mo lang ha, para matagal maubos.
May sugar.
Siguro bawasan mo ng 20%. Mag-order ako ensaymada.
Asan dyan yung Oreo, yung biscuit? Salted egg naman yung isa.
Salted egg yung isa. Sige,
Sarap kasi yun.
go!
Warm natin sa 30 seconds. I like the song they're playing. Ano yun? Walay na kami ni John John. Tapos na ang tambay natin. Ganda ng lugar dun. Ganda ng ambience. Pinagbigyan tayo actually ng weather. Hindi umulan no. Pero umuulan to sa may party dun. Tingin ko sa Manila umuulan eh. Sa big bike natin. Sarap ng tambike. Isang mabilisang tambike lang para magamit lang natin yung big bike natin. So dito, pwede kayo tumambay doon sa Black Coffee. Magandang tambayan niya. Nagkataon lang na ginagawa to dito sa area na to. Inaayos nila yung kalsada. Pero usually dyan ako na-park sa tapat ng Bikers Cafe.
Helmet in my hand, sun on the tank. I left the map behind for a wider chance. Cold air on my skin, trees bending low. One road after another, and I start to glow.